Joe, we're here at Southern Manufacturing. We're going to be talking about all things 3D printers. What printers do Matsuura have?
We offer a range of printers, so we do polymer, metallic, as a lot of people probably already know. We also offer wood printing machines now, ceramic. The main range is HP, desktop metal, Robose, EnvisionTech, and Dimension post-processing machinery.
Have you seen over the years more people invest in this sort of technology?
Yeah, definitely. I think that's why we're still here, I guess, is people keep coming back year on year. It's great, we've got obviously the repeat business, but there's more and more new customers coming on every year. A bit like the CNC business. So everything we're known for in CNC, the service support, has helped people come back time and time again for the additive.
I'm seeing these machines everywhere when we go and visit customers.
Yep.
It's not just, I thought, me, thought it was for the R&D, but it's not. It's for so many more industries, isn't it?
I think that's it. And in the last 2 years, we've seen a massive shift. I think that's it. Where it was, everybody knows 3D, there's no doubt. The market was R&D, prototyping to start with. But from there, it's just growing and growing. With different technologies coming out, big players coming into the market like HP a few years ago, have really changed the industry. And I think in the last 2 years, what we've seen is there's a hell of a lot more people doing production parts now. Even if you look at our subcon guys, if it's not OEMs or manufacturers manufacturing their own product with their own machines, even the subcon guys, if you ask those guys now, like the service bureaus, there's a hell of a lot of them now doing production, and predominantly production, where it's like 80% production, 20% prototype. So there's been a massive
That's a
shift.
huge growth, isn't it, really?
It's huge. That's it. If you look at how many parts, I think HP last year was like they printed 100 million parts or whatever.
Wow.
I think this year in the first month or so, they've done nearly half that already.
That's unbelievable, and they're still coming out with new innovative things for these printers. So talk to me about what you spoke to me earlier about the colour of this part.
So on HP, one of the things that HP is well known for is the raw part was grey. So what's happened now is basically there was a bit of a demand, mainly from the medical industry. Medical guys, they like white. It's clinical, that's what they like. So there was a demand there for sure. And basically from that, they basically did some R&D development work and created now a white-based raw part, which then gives you the ability to dye it any colour you want, really.
That changes the game, really, doesn't it?
That's it. You know, for medical, people like these sort of nude sort of tones, skin tone type colours, and that's what it gives you the ability to do.
So that's a huge growth. How many customers are you looking after in the UK?
So we've got over 70 companies in the UK now, operating AM equipment from Matsuura, and it's just growing, like I say, year on year.
So tell me more about the Additive Manufacturing Centre.
Yeah, so Additive Manufacturing Centre was, we basically purchased the building next door to us, and we basically wanted to create a dedicated additive manufacturing facility at Matsuura's showroom, because we were always sort of off the back end. Now, with the growth that we've seen, the other products that we've added, we just needed a bigger dedicated space.